Are you looking forward to reset the PIN on Facebook Messenger? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm gonna guide you with a step-by-step process on how you can easily reset the PIN. First thing first, move into your application Messenger. Make sure you are logged in. Once you have been logged into your specific account, head over to menu at the bottom right corner. Once you're in this page, move into the settings at the very top. In this page, head over to privacy and safety right over here. Simply move into end-to-end encrypted chats inside security. Move into message storage at the very top. In this page, you have to click on Reset PIN. Now simply create a new PIN that you want to. Let me enter this one for now. Once you have entered, you will need to enter once again for the confirmation. And there you go. Your PIN has been changed for Facebook Messenger. So this is how easily you can change the PIN on Facebook Messenger. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.